Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu students. Today we solve BSIT first semester. First MCQs is are logic operator sequence point. Option A is true answer. Second one, does logical operator in C languages are evaluated with the short circuit? Answer A is correct. Logical and rational expression in C. Option B, 0 or 1 is correct. Which among of the following is not a logical or rational operator? Option D is correct answer. Which from the following operator is not a comparison operator? Option C is correct option. Which of the following is not arithmetic operator? Option C is correct. Which operator check if the value of two operands are equal or not? If the value are not equal, then the condition becomes true. C option is correct. If the both operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true, known as. Option B is correct answer. Positive operator will be. Option C, add two operand is correct answer. Which of the following is binary left shift operator? Option B is correct answer. Which of the following gets called when an object is being created? Option A, constructor. Destructor has the same name as the constructor and it is preceded by. Option C is correct. Like constructor, can there be more than one destructor in a class? B option, no is correct answer. State whether the following statement about the constructor are true. Declared in the private section. Second, constructors are invoked automatically when the objects are created. Option C, false and true is correct answer. 15. Destructors dash of the automatic object if the program terminate with a call to a function, exit or function about. Option B, are not called is correct answer. Which constructor function is designed to copy object of same class type? Option A, copy constructor is correct answer. Allocation of memory to object at the time of their construction is known as dash of object. Option B, dynamic construction is correct answer. We must use initializer list in a constructor when all of these are correct. Which of the following implicitly creates a default constructor when the programmer does not define at least one constructor for a class? Constructor dash to allow the different approaches of the object constructor. Option B is correct. B can be overloaded. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.